Let's look into the introduction of AWS Glue. AWS Glue is a fully managed ETL service that helps to perform analytics by loading the data. AWS Glue uses Spark cluster to run our code. In this tutorial, we are going to use PySpark as a programming language to develop our Glue objects. Before learning PySpark, let's start our tutorial with Python language, as it is a mandatory language to learn and understand PySpark. Those who know Python language, you can use this tutorial to refresh your Python skills. Welcome to Gooey's Amazon Web Service video tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you through Python basics, which will help you to learn PySpark in the upcoming videos. Let me give you the overview of Python. So Python is a programming language and it is used for web developments, database operations, mathematical operations, and primarily used in data science. And as I said, it's a base language for PySpark, and PySpark is a part of big data. Python is a platform independent language, which means it can be used in Windows, Mac, Linux, and Python can be written in procedural or object-oriented way. When compared to other languages, Python syntax is very much simpler, and within few lines of code, you can achieve your functionality. In other languages, you can see the scope or a block of code is denoted in curly braces, but in Python, it is denoted in indentations. Now I will show you how to install an IDE for Python. Python basically written in many IDEs like PyCharm, Eclipse, Jupyter Notebooks, Spider, and AWS provides an IDE called Cloud9. It's a separate service in AWS. So we can make use of Cloud9 as well. But in this tutorial, I'm going to use Jupyter Notebooks. So go to your browser, just type Jupyter Notebook, download. It'll open an official website for you. So here you can use pip install Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook and make use of Jupyter Notebook in your computer. I basically recommend to go for Anaconda. Anaconda is a software where you can find more IDs for Python. You can download in your browser. So this is the official website of Anaconda. Here you can download and make use of Python IDEs. In my laptop, I have already installed Anaconda. Let me show you how it looks like. This is the Anaconda application. So here you can find Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, Spider, PyCharm, everything. So once Anaconda is installed, you can click on Launch button under Jupyter Lab. So Jupyter, what is the difference between Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Notebook is, Jupyter Lab will give you a user interface where you can type your Python code and execute and see the output right away. So let me click on Launch button. You'll open your browser and it works locally. So this is the user interface of your Jupyter Notebook, which is available in Jupyter Lab. Here you can go and type your Python code, like for example, print hello, and click on this play button, and it will execute the output for you.